Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be discussing about a cheap carbon dioxide diffuser for planted tanks. Before starting the video, I would like you to subscribe if you are new to this channel and turn on the notification. And also like the video at the end and share it with your friends. So without further ado, let's get started with the review. This is the Ista CO2 Diffuser set, which is very cheap and meant for planted aquarium that has low plant load. Also, if you like the diffuser set, you can buy it from the links in the description, so make sure you check it out. Now I am taking out the component of this diffuser set. Inside the package there is the silicone pipes, CO2 can, check valve, and CO2 holding chamber. First start with the CO2 holding chamber. I am attaching the suction holders. After this, attach the chamber inside the aquarium. I recommend attaching near the filter output for better result. Now cut the pipe at desired length to attach the check valve. Make sure you attach the check valve in the correct direction and pipes are attached tightly. Connect the CO2 can also. After this, it's time to fill the CO2 chamber. Press the can and fill the chamber completely. You can place the diffuser near the filter also. A typical completely filled chamber lasts for 1 day or so and need to be filled again after 1 day. And that was what I was doing with my 10-gallon planted aquarium. After the CO2 becomes empty, you can purchase the can separately from the sites like Amazon. Check the link in video description for more info. I tried with diffuser with ceramic disc, but the diffusion is not proper and CO2 escapes very quickly out of the tank. Now the pros is that it is very cheap carbon dioxide diffuser kit and easy to assemble. And the con is that it does not give intense CO2 diffusion, good for planted aquarium with low plant load, and does not look good in the aquarium. I mean, smaller diffuser is better than larger CO2 chamber. That's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like and share this video to friends or relatives. Until next video, bye and take care, and thanks for watching.